Hi guys, this is Catherine at BriteBee, and today we're going to talk about Google My Business. Google My Business is a free service by Google that allows businesses to manage their information online in search and on map. Let's Google it to show you exactly what I'm talking about. The best way to describe Google My Business is to look for businesses near you. When you see the map pull up, you'll see a list of different businesses. For me, I Googled insurance agents near me. Let's click on one to see what Google My Business looks like. This information right here is Google My Business, and most people don't know that this information can be managed by the business owner just by going in and claiming your business. If your Google My Business page has already been claimed, then go to business.google.com to manage your information. Once you're in the dashboard, you can create posts, add photos, respond to reviews, and so much more. Everything you need to do is on the left side of the screen. So navigate to Posts, and you'll see where you can post information just like you do on your regular social media channels. And these get a lot of exposure in Google searches. Under Info, you'll find your phone number, your website, your address, and more information about your agency. This is where you want to make sure your information is consistent so that it appears consistent across all of Google. Under Reviews, you'll see the places where people have left you reviews, and you can respond to them directly right there. Under Photos, you'll see photos and videos of your interior and exterior of your business, your team. You can even get a 360 tour by scheduling that with Google. And then you can add users to your Google My Business to help you manage the information listed. Google My Business gives customers a direct way to access you with your agency information, your phone number, a link to your website, directions, and so much more. If you want to know more about Google My Business for insurance agents, keep watching our channel and check us out at www.BriteBee.com. That's BriteBee.com.